Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be it's pretty much a shorter video. We're gonna be shooting 2 Pepsi cans.
So I guess once again, we're skipping the food now.
Well, we're gonna do eggs probably on Thursday.
This really isn't in the.
We're gonna do eggs on Thursday. It's Tuesday today, so we're gonna be firing. We're gonna be shooting 2 Pepsi cans. We're gonna be shaking them up, and this one, if I accidentally drops, this one's gonna probably explode pretty well. So yeah, we'll come back when it's all ready.
Y no te deja quieta, nena. ¿Quién puede parar eso que al bailar descontrola tu cadera? Y ese fuego que quema por dentro y lento te convierte en piedra. Con la mano arriba, cintura sola, da media vuelta y sacude duro. No te quite ahora, que esto solo empieza. Mueve la cabeza y sacude duro. Para sacar la locura, morena, bella a mi lado. Que vaya esperado.
Just to make the video a little bit longer, we're going to see which one explodes more. We're going to be doing Pepsi. As you can see, we just fired those Pepsis. Or Coke. And, sorry about that, one of the cans just blew up. And, so yeah, we're going to see which one explodes more. So yeah, so stay tuned.